Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. In this video today, I want to show you about this new investment plan, okay, where you actually invest some money and you get a very good return percentage. Now, the name of the company is actually called TransOcean. Like you can rightly see here, it's called TransOcean, okay. I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular website right below this video, okay. I actually just joined this particular website yesterday. Let me see, on the 29th of July 2022, which is just, I'm actually recording this video just a day after I joined. Okay. Now, the company actually claimed that they are into deep water business, offshore business. Okay. So, what they do is this: they actually say you invest your money with them and they use your money to run their business, and in return they actually give you some percentage profit, right? So as you can see here, they are showing us some rig, okay, some oil rig, oil transportation plants. You can see ship, probably ship carrying crude oil. Okay, so you can see they have different kind of package here. Okay, you see the rotate, they say choose the plan that best align with your financial goal. Okay, so you can see they have the Luanda here. The Luanda is for 3,000 naira and you are expected to be getting 300 naira daily. Then at the end of 90, and you have to get that 300 naira daily for 90 days. At the end of the 90 days, you are expected to must have received 27,000 naira. Okay, then you can see this one, the Ruba High. Okay, this the Ruba High. You are expected to start this investment with 5,000 naira and you'll be getting 515 naira every day. Okay, and you'll be taking that 515 naira for 90 days. And at the end of that 90 days, you're expected to must have collected 49,500 naira. Okay, now this is the very one that I actually started with just a day ago, okay, which was yesterday, and yesterday 29th of July 2022. So let me just run through the different packages that they actually have. You can see Petrobras is 10,000 naira. If you invest this 10,000 naira, you're expected to get 1,200 naira every day for 90 days. At the end of the program of this 90 days, you're expected to get 108,000 naira. This Americas, the Americas is for 50,000 naira. You're expected to be getting 6,500 naira every day for 90 days. And at the end of the 90 days, you're expected to get 585,000 naira for the 90 days. Okay, you can see the Clear, you can see the Proteus, you can see all, you can see the Paul, you can see the Barrent. Okay, the Barrent is actually for 1 million naira. I expected to be getting 200,000 naira every day. Now, the 200,000 naira you'll be getting every day, at the end of the program, you are expected to get 1.8 million naira, okay, within 90 days. Then you see this 800,000 naira, you'll be getting 136,000 naira every day. So, for you to actually have a clear picture of how this thing actually works, like I rightly said, I'll be dropping a link just right below this video so you can come up here and also see them for yourself, because if I want to start doing them one after the other, it's going to take a whole lot of time, but I just want to be brief with this video. Then you can see this one, this place where they say advanced. Okay, now for this particular package here, you are expected to buy into any of those packages with the profits that you must have made from this first package up here. Okay, this particular side. But if you decide not to do it, it's still fine. You can decide to withdraw your profit. Okay, but for you to actually come into, because this side here, this advanced package actually give higher return compared to the upper side. Okay, so you can see here, if you do 3,000 naira, you're expected to be getting 450 naira every day. Okay, compared to this 3,000 here, if you look at this 3,000 here, you're expected to be getting just 300 naira here. Okay, with 3,000 naira purchase package purchase of 3,000 naira. But if you come down here, you can see this one for this 3,000 naira, this advance, you'll be getting 4,450 naira, which is 100 naira difference. Okay, so in essence, what I'm trying to say is that this lower side of this interface, the advance, actually pay higher, right? So like I rightly said, I actually started a day ago with 5,000 naira. This is the 5,000 naira I started with, and presently I have 1,300 naira that is withdrawable. Okay, if you remember, I'm to be getting 550 naira every day. But as soon as you join with my link right with below this video, you'll be giving 700 naira for free, right? You'll be giving 700 naira for free. Let me show you the package I actually did yesterday. I just click, when you click here, right, it's going to bring you to this interface. Like you can rightly see, investment return, I have 600 naira here. Then you can see balance available, which I can withdraw this balance as it is now. Let me just go to my payment record. Just when you want to check your payment record, you come down here, then you click on this payment record. Now when I click on this payment record, you can see the particular one I did yesterday. I did this the buyer yesterday, and you can see the success, which tells you that I went through successful. You can see I paid 5,000 naira. You say congrats, got it, click here. So if I click here, you can see the package I did that yesterday. This is it here, right? This is the 5,000 naira I did here. Then you can see present daily income is 600 naira. Already returned 600 naira here. Okay, so that is it about this particular program. If you want to buy any of the package, you just come down here and click on it. Okay, if I click on this one that I did yesterday, now if I click on it, you see it's going to bring you to this interface. It's going to show you what you'll be getting, okay, the details. And then when you click on this buy, right, when you click on this buy, let me just click on it. When you click on this buy, it's going to come down here. Then you can just when you click on this recharge, when you click on this recharge here, right, when you click on this recharge, it's going to show you the bank account, the company bank account that you are going to pay this 5,000 naira into. When you pay that 5,000 naira into that bank account, you're expected to stay on this page until there's a timer that will actually start counting, right? When the timer keep counting, after you must have transferred the money into the company bank account that they will give you, automatically then you will see a place where you click on I have paid. As soon as you pay, the money will be credited into your account and you'll be good to go. Then all you just need to do is just to wait and start getting returns. Okay, every day, right? Every day you keep getting return. Now one thing I want to tell you about this kind of website is this: if you're going to join, I will advise you to do it now. Okay, because the company, the website actually just started. The company just started. Okay, if you look up here, you see congrats, people actually joining every minute, every second. Like I already told you, I joined with 5,000 naira. So I just joined quickly now that the company just started, so that you can be able to recoup your deposits. Okay, recoup your initial money that you use to invest into the company quickly and make some profit before anything can happen. You know, this kind of website, nobody can actually vouch for how long it's going to stay. Okay, so the better, the earlier you join and make out some money before it goes down, the better it is for you. Don't go and join when the company must have stayed a whole longer time before you join, towards the tail end of their closure, before it will collapse. Okay, so if you are going to join now, this is the right time for you to join and start making money. This money I have here now presently, now if I click on it, you can see that I can withdraw it. You can see up here, it says withdrawable balance. So automatically, if I click on this withdraw now, automatically I can withdraw this money, right? But I'm not going to withdraw it. I'm going to allow it for like 3-4 days, then I will withdraw it. So for you to see the withdrawal, I will advise you now to now subscribe to this particular channel. Subscribe to my channel now, so that when I do the withdrawal, you'll be able to see it. Okay, and also when I drop other valuable videos like this, you'll be able to see it. Okay, I will strongly advise you to do that. Subscribe to this channel. And also remember, you have to like this video, okay, so that others will get to see it. It will also help the algorithm of this video, right? So that is what I say I should show you. That's my review about this particular website. Then also remember, if after you must have registered, if you want to withdraw your money, all you just need to do is to come up here where you say my bank info. Okay, you click on this bank info, then you're going to put your name as it is with your bank. You're going to put it here. Okay, then you're going to come up here, you're going to choose your bank. Okay, then here you're going to put your account number and you click on submit, so that whenever you want to take out your money, you want to withdraw your money, the process will be so seamless for you. All you just need to do is just to click on it and it will go through. Okay, for now I think I'm going to leave it here so that the video will be very, very short. And also you can make extra money from this particular website. Aside from your daily income that you take, you don't need to do any other thing. You can also refer people. When you click on this referral here, it's going to give you a referral link. Okay, when you refer people, you make more money here. Okay, it says get your link and refer friends to TransOcean, enjoy profit up to 15%. Okay, this is another channel for you to make money on this particular website. Okay, I will advise you now to jump on this particular program now that is very, very fresh and very new, and start making some money for yourself. Okay, I also believe you got value from this video. Now if you got value from the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'll drop another video when I do the withdrawal. Okay, to show you guys that the website is paying presently as it is. Okay, thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Take care of yourself and bye bye.